Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to put money in a Charles Schwab account. Let's explore the various methods available to fund your investment journey. We'll cover electronic transfers, including ACH and wire transfers, as well as traditional options like depositing checks. Understanding these choices will help you select the best way to get your money working for you quickly and securely. Each method offers different benefits depending on your needs. Electronic transfers are often the quickest way to fund your account. An ACH transfer, or automated clearinghouse transfer, allows you to link your bank account and move money directly. This usually takes 1 to 3 business days. For faster transfers, especially for larger amounts, a wire transfer is an option, though your bank might charge a fee. You can also set up recurring ACH transfers for automated savings or investments. Beyond electronic methods, you can always deposit a check. Simply mail a personal check, cashier's check, or money order to Charles Schwab. Another common method is transferring assets from another brokerage firm, which Schwab can help facilitate. If you're changing jobs or retiring, you can also roll over funds from a retirement plan, such as a 401(k), directly into a Schwab IRA, maintaining tax-deferred growth. When funding your account, remember that some accounts may have minimum deposit requirements, so always check the specifics. Processing times also vary. Electronic transfers typically clear within a few business days, while checks might take a bit longer. Always ensure your personal information is up to date for smooth transactions. And for more great deals, including information on smart speakers, check out the links in the description below. Thanks for watching, and happy investing!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.